Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use vidIQ AI for YouTube short ideas. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. Alright, so first up, under daily ideas, you gotta scroll down and look for specific keywords. So for example, fix Xbox Live sign-in loop. You can click on it and then go ahead and click on copy idea or generate video packaging. Okay, now you go ahead and click on generate right here at the very top. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you'll have the title, description, tags, thumbnail, the hook, and the outline. You can go ahead and generate scripts right here to be used for your YouTube shorts. Okay, copy it or record your own voice. And at the very bottom, you have a voiceover as well. You can download it and paste it to your editing software. Okay, as well as the videos for this specific topic. So another option, you could go ahead over to research and then click on shorts. You've got a ton of shorts ideas here as well. Now you can just go ahead and use whatever templates right here that you want. For example, you're onto gaming. Well, you can go ahead and click on successful game tips, just like this one. Then find similar titles. All right. You can use this one as well as your title and some more. Okay? And that's just how you use vidIQ AI for YouTube short ideas. But if you have the coaching plan right here on your vidIQ, you can go ahead and use coaching, okay? And talk to one of their coaches. All right, and there you have it. That is how you use vidIQ AI for YouTube shorts ideas. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.